Hello guys, today I am going to configure my Federal Signal RSL WMLM wiring module with flashing light and sounder with my DCS system. This type of flashing light and sounder and the steady light with sounder used in many critical areas where we have generating the alarms as per criticality of the plant, like in my case priority 1, priority 2 and priority 3. If priority 1 alarms generated, my my DC system generate digital output and it flashing this blue light. When my priority 2 alarm generated, it start flashing orange light. When my priority 3 alarm generates, it will flash the red light. So now I'm going to tell you how we can wire and how can we select the model number for 24 volt operation, flashing and steady state. This is our wiring module RSL WMLM 24 volt. What I did here is I did just n upon c. I will show you what is n upon c, L and BL here. This is n upon c. I will provide 24 volt here, and L I will provide 0 volt. For flashing operation, this is my terminals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Terminal 1 will be jump with the BL, like 1 and BL should be short. How can we lash or short these terminals? It should be done through relay. And if anyhow we need a continuous operation, that is called steady light operation, we don't need the BL to be terminated. We just provide 24 volt directly from the digital output here. Now this is the wiring modules. This is number 1 pin, that is L. Number 2, that is N upon C. Number 3, this is BL. This is terminal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it means from RSL WMLM modules we can configure till 7 different lights, or 5 different light with 2 different sounders, or 6 different light with 1 different sounder. So we have this combination here. In my case I use these 3 lights with 2 different types of sound. So it means I will use terminal number 1, 2, 3 for lights, 4 and 5 for the sound operation. Now what I will tell you about how we wire it now. Here I've already told you in the wiring diagram as well. This N upon C, you will provide 24 volt from your power supply. This L point you will provide 0 volt. If you need the flashing operation, you just provide continuity from the relay. How it will provide, I am going toward the relay and show you. This is my relay, 24 volt relay. When you get 24 volt output from the PLC, in relay will latch the circuit, and in return it will provide the continuity to the module, wiring module. So if you get 24 volt on this relay output will provide 20 continuity on the output, and this continuity will goes toward our RSL WMLM module. The, the continuity I am showing here, it will come to the BL and from the terminal 1 for this blue operation. If continuity received to BL and terminal number 2, it will start this light to be flashing. When continuity will receive from BL to BL and terminal number 3, you start red light to be flashing. The terminal number 4 is for sounder. We don't need any continuity here. We just need 24 volt directly from the PLC to just run this sounding module. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to force my terminal 1 output from the PLC. Assume that my priority 1 alarm get generated and I receive 24 volt on my relay to operate this blue operation. See, this light start flashing, and now I'm going to show you on the relay. You get 24 volt here from the PLC, and when this 24 volt receive on the PLC, it latched the output, so it will generate only the continuity till my module. Now my these two lights start flashing. It means I have received normally close contact at terminal number 2 and terminal number 3. So you see here, these relays receive 24 volt from the PLC on priority 2 alarm and priority 3 alarm basis. On in return, it just make the contact to be close, and on the close contact this terminal number 2 and terminal 3 receive the continuity with respect to BL, and on this continuity normally close contact just start flashing my blue and red light, orange and red light. See here. Now I'm going to generate 24 volt on this pin like 1, 2, 3, 4th number pins. Fourth means terminal 1, 2, 3, 4. The sounder will start generate sound. This sounding module start sounding, but I cannot sound it little more because this is some operation things are going on. These are some selection for the sounding. If you want to receive the high level of sound, you just do the dip switches setting from here. This dip switches setting you can found it inside the RSL SMA module. I will show you in the next video. Just comment me so I will make a new video for you for this dip switches settings. Now I will tell you how we can configure the continuous operation. Like we don't need these three lights to be flashing, so just remove this wire BL wire from here, and these terminal 1 2 3 also be removed from the relay. For the continuous operation you just get directly 24 volt from the PLC or the DCS on these terminals like this sounder. Like if you get 24 volt on the terminal 1, it start continuous operation on it. So I'm going to show you one operation by connecting this wire is a continuous 24 volt. Now I'm going to connect this wire here on the terminal 1. When I'm connecting here on the terminal 1 and force this output, so it will show the continuous operation. Now I just connected 24 volt directly from the PLC on my terminal number 1. Now I'm going to force this and see how this will operate. See, the operation here is the continuous operation without any flashing. Hope you guys like my video. I will share you more video regarding transducer configurations and the relays, everything what I will do in my field I will share with you guys. Thank you so much. Just like and share my video for my motivation. Take care.